Now the yes, bioplastic is degradable. Plastic you have to build because of the whole process or is your research or is it hypothetical? You are checking biodegradable. The cost is low. How much cost?
Sir, we have taken only the weeds. Rest bacteria we have isolated from the cells. We have tested 4 isolates from mixed serial dilution process. We have done the fluorescence imaging, which showed that the bacteria which are showing fluorescence will.
What the use of this where can you
So we can use it in packaging, biomedical field, sutures, orthopedic. Yes.
So is there any side effect?
No, sir. Non-toxic.
Non-toxic. Check it.
Yes, sir.
So now you can ready to commercialize.
Yes, sir. We have prepared it in labs. Now we are ready to commercialize.
So how much cost?
So the cost is only of the bleach straw and the few chemicals which we have used for the production of media.
From the core side and then integrated. This is your volume qualification. Sir, I'm percent 60. Value of PhD part. Is that completed or you are just doing?
No, sir, I'm just continuing.
Funded. Is there research?
Yes, sir.
Or review?
No, sir, it's research. So, as you know that our human nervous system is made of two parts, central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. So, unlike the central peripheral nervous system, the central nervous system, the healing rate is lower because there are a number of inflammatory molecules are there. And that's why there's any injury in the central nervous system. Number of people suffer worldwide injury and no treatment successful options are available here.
आप भी इधर आ जाओ आपका ये
Sir,
इधर आ जाओ
So there are two backgrounds that we talk about. So it know that good derived biomaterials are less immunogenic for our body.
so मुझे ये शॉर्ट में बताओ what's your
To visualize the good brain and to check its biocompatibility.
material method what have you used?
Yes, sir. Sir, I have used the good brain sugar material. Good brain.
Human process were indicated by these foods. So, sir, as we know that every year a huge amount of food waste is generated, and according to World Economic Report, by 2030, the food waste is going to reach like 30 billion for intelligent food packaging. So, sir, as we know that there are two major challenges. One is food waste, that every year annually and these are two of the conventional food packaging materials like cardboard, plastic, glass and metal. And among that, plastic is majorly used because of the excellent properties it provides. But the issues with plastic is that if it is like buried in, so it will cause plastic debris or the microplastic generation, and microplastic generation can ultimately infect the soil and it can ultimately infect the marine life. And if we are burning this plastic, it can cause atmospheric pollution, and in that way once from these food and vegetable peels to prepare the biodegradable food packaging films. And secondly, these films will have active properties. That means they will try to impart the antioxidant properties, antibacterial properties to the packaging films so that the shelf life of the food can be increased. And secondly, we can use natural pH indicators like curcumin can be used. So in that way, we can get to know about the current condition of the food in which our food is present. And secondly, we are going to replace conventional polymers with the biodegradable polymers because of their stability, mechanical strength, and good properties. So on basis of this, the major aim of my study was to develop guava leaf extract and curcumin incorporated CMC-based films with active and pH-responsive properties for intelligent food packaging. So, sir, this is the workaround in which we have used curcumin as a natural pH indicator, and secondly, we have used guava leaf extract for preparing the for plant extract generation. And sir, guava leaf extract is found to have good antibacterial properties against gram-positive as well as gram-negative bacterial strains. Sir, we have prepared the film using sodium mixing method. Then we have tried.
See powder, okay?
Yes, sir.
Then
By like sonication we are using. Then by solvent casting method we have prepared the film, and then we are going to analyze these products of the film. This is a multifunctional. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This work is actually in contamination. We are going to use this film for packaging of the meat. Left, like with meat we are going to test.
practically not going in.
Sir, practically, like it is in a continuation only. Like sir, I am in like 2.5 years are completed, and sir, like this is my third year.
Why not complicated?
Yes, sir. Sir, this film is
But
prepared.
you are not
These are the testings of these films.
testing is completed.
Yes, sir. But only the application of the meat is left. Sir, we have tried the optimization, but the thing is like handling of the meat and like the roasting in these conditions, we are just
How much paper is it?
Sir, one paper is published.
Within patent
No, sir. Sir, further on basis of our results, we will try to go. And sir, if we talk about the future perspective, learning and programming, we can see if it can be enhanced to like 15 days or 20 days.
practical application.
Sir, for which?
Practical application.
Sir, practical, sir, like step by step testing is completed, so practically, like in upcoming time, we will view and then we will publish this paper. And sir, but these are few of the challenges with like AI also. So in that way, now, sir, the benefit of sir, we are just trying to show the future perspective that in this way AI can be used. But why, like it is in its sir, AI can help in getting to know about the cell life optimizations. For the product, we can know about the robotic packaging can be done in which like human labor can be reduced. Or food safety and traceability can be done in a proper way. Personalized packaging. So like few customers are there who prefer like pocket size packaging. Some prefer big size packaging. So according to the needs of the consumer. Supervisory
Yeah.
Yes, sir. I'm on
Green hydrogen.
Yes, sir. Actually, this is about electrolyzer, sir. We should know and get what.
You are a PhD scholar.
Yes, sir. We are synthesizing the membrane for this electrolyzer. That membrane can conduct positive. Sir, we purchase the polyethylene ketone polymer and functionalize it so that EVD monomer can get some sulfonating group. With the help of this sulfonating group, this polymer can conduct H positive ions. So the basic purpose of this project is to enhance the H positive conductivity using this polymer as it is. Sir, apart from this work, we have introduced some functionalized sulfonated Zarar mode. We have also increased this conductivity in this membrane. So we have here, sir. Actually, this blue one is a simple peak polyethylene sulfonated. When we introduce it, this sulfonated zinc mode, because this impart the conductivity, increase the conductivity part, and also give us the thermal stability.
Tell me about the material.
Actually, the material we have used the polyethylene with the polymer, and we will sulfonate reaction and use the sulfonated gas. And using this whole reaction, we introduce one sulfonated in this polymer. Then we added polymer. We convert it into the MEA, membrane electrolysis. One set we use another set we use beryllium oxide. Yes, sir. Then sir, these are the membrane testing
Practical application.
practical applications are here. Here, current density versus low voltage. When we set up this whole experiment, and we do this testing at EIS current versus voltage. So get the advertisement.
What type of publication?
Sir, you need to publish one paper mainly on this row and one paper on related to this row. So this.
हाइड्रोजन 3 you know कि हाइड्रोजन गाड़ी आने वाली है तुम्हारे उसमें अपने क्या how you right now separating that one
Self-healing conductive hydrogen from modified hydrogens for next generation. Most of the devices you want to explore for bioelectronics and room hydrogen. I place this device with the help of conductive hydrogen. Most of the hydrogens are non-conductive, so they are insulating the bio-inspired.
or modified or
These applications come from better predictions with these are the various properties of like self-healing property, First, we synthesize. How we synthesize this conductive hydrogen? This is just three-dimensional porous conductive structures. We take a solution of biopolymers. I choose a biopolymer hydrogen. This hydrogen, and after functions like there is nothing novelty. This particular yes, suppose we take a hydrogen. This is the insulator. Then we not be transferred from one body to the all the stages like most important of this hydrogen is if it completes the maximum 50%, it will not be I want to know the movement of that patient from each movement of body, like hand movements, shoulder movements, elbow movements, and this hydrogen is a transparent with full electron surface. We can put it on the surface, then you can see in my room. You can see in my room.
but I think this hydrogen already available in market.
Yes, it's like what
So what is the difference between this
right. But that hydrogen is not a self-inhibiting.
but this is having a
Self-inhibiting after 30 minutes after damage, it will get its own insect. And important thing is also it's a swelling agent.
are you sure having a different
Time to we can do medium exercise.
what you can say so time is reduced for the self-release. You have calculated This is the review or your practical research part.
My time. She had already done the issue. I promise you. But she does it for medical purpose, but I'm using it for the
You mean to say this is the practical part on the Practical application just again.
Rather than the polyethylene
So basically this is type of one bag. For this, what's the cost of whatever available things? What the difference in the cost of?
Either we provide some
What is the cost in case already available? Why anybody? Either you just focus on the cost,
System like selection of qualification of biomedical application. In this project we have
just tell me about this objective. What's the
objective is
objective?
that to develop a sustainable way from a waste product that is rice bran rice. We have extracted a compound that is qualification of. That is a battery lock of purchase, and we have tested it on the social reservoir, and we also performed the pharmaceutical and the society and we also performed the anti-microbial assessment. So, no, who's going with my PhD work?
This is your PhD work.
Yeah. And I have also done the in vivo study. After doing the radiation anti-diabetic work, and also the part development of novel drugs that
That will help for
yeah,
how?
so because this compound we have a key regulatory proteins that is WSN or what we do these are the key receptors that we do that it is alpha amylase yes
The drug was eatable. Eatable drug. So tested.
yes these are the anti-cancer
Tested on
this is after getting that action between the protein and this moiety giving the good result for binding affinity, then we proceeded for the in vitro work, and in vitro work which is giving the significant result, then we go for the in vivo. That we have the system. We have in Harvard University, we have animal that it shows that the layer is significantly. We have a 21 days of study. In that we have got a significant decrement in the blood glucose level. So firstly we have developed a model. it has itself collaborated on pharmaceutical industry to collab with it.
Some good industry. If you have molecule is really good, so you can go for this This is an review one. What's the aim and objective of
enzyme, which is a classic beta-lactam enzyme. So the extended spectrum beta-lactam is a different class of antibiotics, and its receptor supplies not similar, which we have mentioned in this slide. We have already started the PDB and after that, we will also see the supplementation information about those amino acid recipes.
develop polymer based and also classical and
So if you being it, like
right now you have taken such topics of the not completed now. Just ongoing.
First objective we have next objective is we are both are working in the same lab and our material is regular.
You are under
Sir, entitled
what is qualification?
Sir, I'm
PhD? Okay, good. What is your aim and objective? Just clear
Sir,
it.
our aim is to develop the alcoholic extract-based hydrogel to treat the chronic wound healing, especially diabetic.
So you all are just preparing hydrogel. I think you are working on it. You are.
but for different applications.
So this is an ongoing work.
Sir, this is already done.
Already done. Application done.
Yeah, we have filed one patent. We have already submitted.
File one patent. Mention it.
So this application.
Patent application. So just tell me.
So, sir, our objective is to first prepare the methanolic extract. As I have mentioned, to prepare the alcoholic extract. So we have prepared methanolic extract by the cold maceration method. So this first step have shown the procedure of methanolic extract, like how we have prepared. So here we have taken the plant leaves and then dried them and crushed them by the mortar pestle. Then further we have extract by taking the cold maceration process. Then we have in the collected the super nutrients by using the centrifugation.
Okay.
After that we have this extract we have taken the EVA gelatin polymer
So this cell seed over hydrogel. So now the hydrogel is prepared.
Then further we this is the process of in vitro heating. So we have set did the cell over the hydrogen. In this process, like how the bioactive compounds releases from the hydrogen to the bone. So this